2 years ago, I was broke. I was earning just 2500 rupees per month and I was saving every rupee I could. But not for gadgets, not for clothes, but for one thing books. Why? Because I heard one thing over and over again.
I would encourage people to read a lot of books.
The second key to life is reading.
Reading is the strongest signal for success in the future that I've ever seen.
Just read and read and read. I probably read 5 to 6 hours a day.
I used to save 500 rupees to buy some books and the rest I keep to buy a new laptop. And fast forward to today, I have read 20 plus books in these 2 years. But in this video, I am going to share 15 plus books that have helped me a lot and in every aspect of my life. And in these 2 years, I have also seen that most people say that reading a book is waste of time if you don't apply in your life. That's true, but they are wrong as well. What I feel in terms of my experience is reading a book without intention is what makes them not to read. If you have even a single intention to read any book, you will not be far from applying that in your life. And if you don't apply it forcefully, your subconscious mind will. And the lessons will naturally flow into your actions. If you want proof, then watch this.
Hold this string between your thumb and your forefinger. While you're holding that still, mentally have the idea it's moving back and forth. Wider and wider. See, it's already doing that. Now, once it's doing that, just change the idea in your mind that instead of swinging it like that, it's going to start swinging like this.
Oh my heavens.
Now, mentally have the idea that it's going to start making circles. Just mentally have the idea. It's going to start making circles. There you are. See? Circles. Now bigger and bigger circles.
Oh my heavens.
You have seen that what you focus on, what you read, and what you feed in your brain doesn't just stay in your head. It starts to show up in your actions, your decisions, and ultimately your life. So next time you pick a book, don't just read for fun. Read with intention, have a purpose behind that, and watch how it transforms your life. So if you have got even a single intention to watch this video, stick with me till the end. I am going to share 15 plus books I have read in these 2 years, what you should read, and in the exact order. I will be going from self-development to business, and at the end there will be a bonus book especially for men. So that being said, here's the first one, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now this book has taught me a lot about abundance mindset. What the problem is, हमें लगता है कि इस दुनिया में पैसे बहुत कम है, that's why we are not able to earn that much. ये book आपको सिखा देगी कि how to get that abundance mindset and decision making. It's a very good mindset training. I recommend using the tips and use the tools inside this book as well. So definitely give it a read. So the first one was Think and Grow Rich. Now the second one is It's Not How Good You Are, It's How Good You Want to Be by Paul Allen. ये बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी सी बुक है, not that big. I read this book in around 15 to 20 minutes. My sister bought this book and it is also another mindset training book. It will help you to know कि आपका worth क्या है. And अगर आप सोचते हो कि एक high paying job आपके लिए मुश्किल है, एक business start करना मुश्किल है, then after reading this book you will understand it is not that much hard if you really think about it and manifest it. So the second book was It's Not How Good You Are, It's How Good You Want to Be by Paul Allen. So read this book. So the third one is The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. ये book ना तीनों एस्पेक्ट सिखाती है, हेल्थ, वेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप थोड़ा कम. A kind of a book that will help you to learn about happiness and fulfillment जिसको बोलते हैं, because Naval Ravikant is not a guy about only wealth. He is also talking about spirituality and many more other things. So I want this book in your book list in 2025 by Eric Jorgensen. So just read it and tell me how it was. Now the fourth one is The Subtle Art of Not Giving. ये आपको जिंदगी की कुछ ऐसे ट्रूथ्स बताएगा, कुछ ऐसी चीज बताएगा जो आपको हजम नहीं होगी. ये मैं पहले ही वार्निंग दे देता हूँ, बट कुछ हद तक थोड़ा सा सच है जो इसमें इस बुक में बताया, एंड इट्स अ हार्ड ट्रूथ. सो ये बुक आपको सारी सच बात बताएगा, एंड ही हैज ऑल्सो ट्रेवल्ड टू मोर देन 50 कंट्रीज एंड ही विल से अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दैट ट्रैवलिंग. ऑथर नेम इज मार्क मैनसन. सो द फोर्थ बुक इज द सटल आर्ट ऑफ नॉट गिविंग अ. अभी माइंडसेट ट्रेनिंग हो गया. नाउ इट्स ऑल्सो डिपेंड कि आपकी हैबिट कैसी है. सो टू चेंज योर हैबिट आपको अपनी हैबिट चेंज करनी होगी. जो पुरानी हैबिट थी, it is not going to make you the future version of yourself. So the fifth one is The Power of Habit by चार्ल्स डुहिग. इसका एक अल्टरनेटिव है एटॉमिक हैबिट्स. ये कुछ ज़्यादा लेंदी है, ये कुछ ज़्यादा आपको साइंटिफिकली बहुत ज़्यादा बताएगा कि हैबिट्स को कैसे चेंज करना है, एंड इट विल गो मोर डीपर इनटू हैबिट ट्रैकिंग, हाउ humans form an habit, make an habit. So why do we do what we do and how to change? So it's a good book if you want to go deeper into habits, but I don't recommend it क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी बुक हो जाएगी ये. So I will give you an alternative, Atomic Habits. Read it, mind blowing book. You will understand the power of habits as well. There is one more book alternative to this, that is Deep Work. दैट इज डीप वर्क. इसमें कुछ मेंटल मॉडल्स भी दिए हैं कि तुम उसको यूज करके अपने काम में कैसे एफिशिएंसी ला सकते हो. वो बहुत अच्छे से बनाया है, क्योंकि कौन सी बात है, हर जब हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हमने ज़्यादा काम किया, इसका मतलब है कि हमने आज का दिन हमारा सक्सेसफुल है. बट इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपने वो जितने देर भी काम किया है वो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव था. इवन इफ यू आर वर्किंग 4 hours or even 5 hours, you should work in a focused manner, and this book will teach you how to do it. It will help you to give some mental models. So read this, and I'm telling you again, read in the exact order. So the next one is Happiness Unlimited by BK Shivani. It's a conversational book, इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं लगा. मैंने थोड़ा सा read किया. It will give you a depth of awareness about yourself and make you free from the world. I mean, the way you think about yourself and your soul. It's a spiritual book, so definitely give it a read if you want to understand yourself and your soul. So it will help you to understand what's the true meaning of happiness, peacefulness, and bit more about spirituality. So here's the 8th book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. बहुत बार होता है कि we are not that much good कि हम किसी से भी बात कर ले and in a good manner. So this book will teach you how to talk to someone and how to win friends and influence people. So definitely give it a read in terms of communication. This comes in mid of our order, so definitely give it a read. And the 9th one is Influence by Robert. I'm not able to pronounce the surname, so this book is one of the best books I haven't read yet, but it is the next book I am going to read. It's around how to influence people, because मैंने देखा है कि most of the जितने भी business owners होते हैं, they are very good in influencing people. The way they talk, the way they behave, and the way they are explaining something. So as a YouTuber, as a business owner, I think it should be a must-read book. At 9, I will keep Influence. The next one is Expert Secret by Russell Brunson. Actually, there is a 3-part of this book, and I don't know which part is this, but after reading this book, मैंने ये 2-3 चीजें समझी. He had explained about how to create urgency, how to make a perfect webinar, and the one thing I learned is storytelling. The way he explained about it in a very simple way. So definitely give it a read. And also how to create mass movement, like how to build an audience. So it was in the 10th place, I think. So definitely give it a read if you want to grow in your business. Now, Alex Hormozi. It is called The Bible of Making Offer in Business. 100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi. Now, business में 2-3 चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा important होती है. आपका ऑफर कैसा है? अगर आपका ऑफर अच्छा है, then definitely you are going to sell more. And you will need to do less copywriting, convince less, because your offer is that good. People will feel stupid saying no. And the second one is, आपने offer तो बना लिया. Now it's depend how you get leads for your business. So the second book is 100 Million Leads. You definitely give it a read if you want a good offer and customers for your products or services. Now, 0 to 1, how startup works, and how startup culture works, and where the startup will go in the future. Everything about it will be there condensed in this book by Peter Thiel. It's a spectacular book on economics, on business, or everything around business and how startup culture works, how you can do your own startup. Next and the last one is The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. It helped me to understand the systems behind business, how to make a system, and also इस बुक को हम 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, साइड लेन, मिड लेन एंड फास्ट लेन. आपको 3 डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में आपको समझाएगा कि कौन सा रोड बहुत ज़्यादा आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. एंड डेफिनेटली गिव इट अ रीड एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प मी. एंड जो सिस्टम्स बताया इसमें ये बहुत अच्छा है एंड द कैलकुलेशंस आर ऑल्सो वेल इनफ. इसके कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स मैंने अपने वीडियो में भी यूज़ किए हैं. So definitely give it a read. Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. So the last one, the bonus, maybe it is not a 15, but the last one is specially for men because they are facing this problem again and again along with their work. So the way of the superior man. It's specially for men. I bought this book few days ago only, and I understood how a man should behave in his life and what they should focus on along with their life, their relationship, their money, their wealth and everything. So especially for men, it was a bonus book, so definitely give it a read. If you read at least these books in 2025, you will be in the top 10% because reading is a thing which most people don't like and they don't do it. That's it. So if you like this video, just scroll down and hit the subscribe button and tell me in the comment section which book you are reading right now. So my name is Anand Jha. Cheers.